Hey everybody, this is Tony Mills with Karl Chevrolet. I'm here with Brett Moyer. We're going to talk a little bit today about some of the key questions you guys may have about the Karl Auto Group and the expansion that we've seen over the last few years. So we're going to talk with Brett, ask him a few questions, and get some input. So Brett, tell us a little bit about why this is the right time for Karl to really encompass all these brands.
Well, I don't know for sure how to answer that other than there was opportunities with these dealerships, and Karl wanted to capitalize on it, and he's always about expanding and taking care of his customers. So we pretty much got the domestic brands covered, and then we've got to do our job to take care of the customer from there.
Right, and like you said, we've got kind of the domestics covered. So it's been Chevrolet for a long time, and now we add Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Ford to the mix. What sets us apart with being able to add those brands to our portfolio?
Well, to me, I think the biggest thing that sets us apart is what has put us on the map with the Chevrolet dealership, and that is putting the customer first, customer service all the way from sales, service, body shop, all the way through, and that separates us.
Right, and now taking that quality from Chevrolet that's been built for over 40 years and, taking that to those other brands, I think it's a great thing for the consumer, no matter what you drive now.
It is a great thing for the consumer, and what we're excited about is we've got a lot of our customers that want to drive a different brand than the Chevrolet, and now we're going to be able to take care of them, and to me, that's exciting.